Hi, John Chapin with your latest sales tip. And this tip is how to identify and deal with one of the biggest enemies of salespeople. So the most important thing salespeople do is interact with prospects and clients. Specifically, that's prospecting, presenting, and closing. One of the biggest enemies of salespeople is anything that distracts them from these. So here are the most common distractions that keep salespeople from their most important activities and how to overcome them. Distraction number one, cell phone, email, and similar. So recently, I was helping a call center increase their number of prospecting calls. So the first thing I do is I sit down and I watch them make calls for 30 minutes. Between email and text distractions, cell phone notifications, using the CRM, going in the bathroom, filling up water bottles, and getting coffee as a group, they average 2.5 calls in 30 minutes. The key for handling this, single-minded focus. Time block prospecting, presenting, and closing time. Remove all distractions from the environment. Shut off your cell phone. Close your email. Clear all items off your desk. Fill up your water. Do everything you need to do ahead of time. Check the plumbing. Do whatever it is. Once they cleared all the distractions and were able to just focus, they made 13 calls in 30 minutes versus 2.5. Distraction two, paperwork. Look, other than filling out an order with a customer, all other paperwork's before or after prime calling hours. If you have to make a quick note, write something down, do it, but never work on letters, proposals, or anything that can be done off hours. Distraction three, servicing accounts. Now look, you're gonna occasionally service accounts on important items, but competent support staff should be doing most of this as they can do it quicker and better than the salesperson. Distraction four, looking for an easier way to prospect other than picking up the phone or calling in person. An initial prospecting call should always be done in person or by phone. Email, social media, mailings, other similar indirect methods are nothing more than a way to avoid hard work, fear, and discomfort of making the live calls. Use these other methods, but only after you've reached out via phone or in person on the initial call. Distraction five, talking to unqualified prospects. Stop hoping that an unqualified prospect who hasn't been able to make a decision for 10 years is going to buy. Enough said there. Distraction six, majoring in minor things. That's cleaning your desk, rereading the letter you're about to send out, doing prep work, all the minor items that should be done before or after prime calling hours. Do them then. Distraction seven, anything else that gets in the way. Look, occasionally a true emergency will come up. That said, if it's more than once a month, the same emergency, you're most likely mismanaging something. Regardless of what happens during the day, your most important task is hitting the daily sales numbers for prospecting, presenting, close sales, period. It's always the most important thing you do. Distractions will try to keep you from this. Don't let them. By the way, I cover all this extensively in my book, Sales Encyclopedia. You can find the book on my website at CompleteSelling.com. Thanks for watching. For more information, go to CompleteSelling.com. If you like this video, do me a favor and hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on the next video.